Your lesson essential question is, how do we add tens and hundreds to three-digit numbers? Remember, three-digit numbers have hundreds, tens, and ones. We'll be adding tens and hundreds to those three-digit numbers, and this is really going to help you with your mental math. We have 243 plus 10. Take a look at my picture. I've got two hundreds, four tens, and three ones. 243. We are adding 110. So 243 is my original number. We're going to go over to the tens place because we're adding to the tens place. We're adding 110. We have four tens. We're adding 110. That gives us five tens. So 243 plus 10 is 253. We're adding 1 to the tens place. Now, how do we add 100? We've got 243 again, but this time we're adding 100. So we need to look at our hundreds place. That's the number that's going to be changing. We have two hundreds. We're adding 100. That equals 3 hundreds. So 243 plus 100 is 343. Our hundreds place number changes. Sometimes adding 10 changes the tens and hundreds digits. If you look here, I've got 290. So here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tens. We're adding one more 10. We know that 290 is 29 tens. 29 tens plus 1 10 equals 30 tens. So we've made a whole 10 here, which means we now have 300.